Hey girlfriends, welcome to Sister Girl Second Act. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Sheila and welcome to my channel. Well, today is Sunday and as you know, it's game day. This is the season for football and I'm telling you, the meals to go with it are definitely in demand. Today I'm going to be making a nice crock pot special, which is a classic chuck roast with potatoes and carrots. It's all going to be done in the crock pot, and the good thing about it is that I'm not just taking one piece of chuck roast. I'm actually cutting it into about 3 pieces. It's enough for meals for maybe about 1 or 2 days. But I mean, you can go with, if you have a bigger crock pot and you want to use a big chuck roast, feel free to do so. But I'm telling you, there's nothing better than the aroma and the tenderness, and you put the gravy in it. Oh my goodness, delicious. So anyway, you know what to do. Get a snack, get a drink, come on back, and let's get started. bubbling away. I'm about to make some gravy for it. Can you see the potatoes and the carrot? And this is the roast. That's, oh yeah, definitely nice and tender. I'm going to take out some of the broth and I'm going to make it into a gravy and pour it back into the crock pot, and then I'm going to serve it up all together in a bowl. This looks so good. Well, that's going to do it for me for today. Thank you for stopping by, and let me know if you try this recipe out. Leave your comments below. Tell me how you liked it. Tell me if you added things to it or took it away. But I'm telling you, nothing is better than comfort food. And chuck roast is one of those, especially when it's combined with your carrots and your potatoes and gravy. It's like a hug, okay? In the meantime, I'd like for you to join me on my new podcast series called No Reinvention Needed, just to return, where we in our second act celebrate and talk about things that, are important out here. And if there's any other questions that you want to ask me about that, you can stop by my Instagram at sistergirlcooks and leave your questions and send me a message, and I'll get back to you on that. In the meantime, you have a wonderful week. Be safe, take care, and I'll see you next time. All right, bye.